Thank you for joining me back for flip through of my second crazy stitched quilted fabric cover junk journal featuring Charming Fragments 2 junk journal kit by Tsunami Rose Designs. And these are 9 by 6 journals with over 140 pages. Exact details will be linked below. Alright, the closure is this key charm at the end of this long sari silk trim that wraps around the book. The front is this double pocket, the first being this tiny one with this little guy from all digitals are from Daisy's store. There are a few things like this that's from my stash, but everything else is from Daisy. This is just some journaling option that I created. And then this here, some silk trim. Okay, that's coffee dyed paper going in. This is stiff fusible interfacing and fabric outside and inside too. And pocket here, this is coffee dyed tea dyed canvas and some detailing. This is from Daisy's store. This is stuff that I pieced together, and there we go. All right, and this is from Charming Fragments 2. That's some sari silk, some stitch detailing here, and this is scrapbook paper. That's from the collection. This is an altered index card, a Dollar Tree index card, and that's a paper bag. More scrapbook paper, altered glassine bag that has a tiny pocket here. This is Daisy's flowers. This is from the collection. This is from my stash, and this is Daisy's again, and this is from the collection. And then this little guy sits in there. He's a little unruly. And then this beautiful vintage image is from Daisy's store. That's backed on to coffee dyed watercolor paper, and I love how the coffee dyeing worked out on this one. Beautiful. All my pages are stitched around. I do a lot of stitching no matter what the situation is in which I'm working on a journal. And more altered paper, altered index cards, and this beautiful image is from the collection. I just stitched around a few of the outlines. This is Charming Fragments 2. Moving on, this is also from the collection. Something's up with the light today. I am sorry, guys. This is one of Daisy's envelopes, and that is just an altered index card with a ruffle. I've stitched around this, and okay, hang on, let me show you this. This is backed onto coffee dyed paper, so it's very sturdy. Moving on, scrapbook paper. This is a scaled down journal page from the collection, and this here is a school atlas page on which I've just added a journaling spot and a tiny bit of leftover paper from the collection kit. This is coffee dyed too, and then ledger and writing paper, and then that's from one of the envelope packs. This is an envelope which is held together with this altered paper clip, and I have left this open for you to be able to write in it or store a picture. Large tag page, that's scrapbook paper from my stash. I love the yellow. Writing paper, this is from the collection again. This here is a terry wood pocket. Hey Terry. And what do we have here? An altered paper clip. I removed that, and then I have a tag here, and then this beautiful image is from Daisy's shop again. This is one of her ephemera cards, and then that's backed onto coffee dyed watercolor paper. This is a tag I made. That's from the collection kit again. This is very sturdy cardstock that sits in there. Wait, let me show you this. And then this little guy has a tendency to stick to surfaces. I'm probably gonna run some baby powder over this. And this is a parchment paper tag, decoupage tag. There's one more. There are two of these in each book, and then these tags sit in here. And then this guy is here to hold everything together. Terry's pockets do not need any clips. This was just my choice because I kind of goofed up a little when folding this. I folded it a little too tall. This is an insert made into a pocket. It has an altered index card in it, and then there's a doily, and then the book page and Daisy's flowers and sentiments from the collection. This beautiful image is from the collection, and this flower is one of Daisy's flowers. This tiny bit I saved from the collection, and this is one of Daisy's ephemera pieces, and that goes in there. How I love glassine envelopes, bags, anything glassine. These are from A Tattered Dream, by the way. Moving on, stitch detailing on all pages, and this tag here has a kind of a pocket, so that's just tucked in there. This is from the collection, so that's pretty sturdy coffee dyed thick copy paper. And then this is fabric with the rosette trim, and that goes in there. Altered paper clip. Moving on, this is a tuck spot. These are from my stash. And then oily tablet paper, ledger, writing paper, legal paper, children's writing paper, copy paper, and this is also from the collection kit. This is absolutely stunning. So it holds these two tags, a Gale tag, and then this tag that I made with some crazy stitching around. This is Daisy's flowers. The rest is scrapbook paper and doilies and stuff from my stash. I like how the yellows work together. This guy here holds together this wallet pocket kind of thing to store your secrets. And I'm gonna move the focus back. And this sits here. And then on this side you have this guy backed onto coffee dyed paper, some canvas, journaling options here. This is some leftover paper from the collection kit. So is this is also Daisy's flowers. The scrapbook paper. This pocket here is from the collection kit. You may recognize this beautiful lady. And altered index card. This is from the collection. This is from my stash. Scrapbook paper, love that page. For bags, lots of options for storage, more index cards, and tons of options for writing. And we are nearing the end. This is some coffee painted paper, and then scrapbook paper. That's made of scrapbook paper, and then this postcard here. I can't even read the details. Look at that. That sits in there. Absolutely love this paper. And that's the end. That is a beautiful journal page from A Charming Fragments 2. And then this here is one of Daisy's altered library cards. This used to be free on her website. I'm not sure if this is still around. If I find it, I'll link it below. Then this is some more writing option pieced together. Right, and then there is just some sari trim. Sits here, stitch detailing, and that's it, guys. I'm done. Thank you for joining the flip throughs for these two books. They have no names whatsoever. Charming Fragments 2, pink and blue. That's probably how I'm going to list them on Etsy. Everything will be linked below. Love you all. Bye.